Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
In the previous class,
morning.
we had learned has and have and revise a bit of tenses, present tense. Okay. See, all the tense forms are changed as per the verbs. In all the formulas, if you see, verbs plays an important role. The 4 forms of verbs are Janvi,
Base form, past,
base form or the
present form,
okay.
past form, past participle form, present participle form.
Okay, now we'll have a practice of saying of the verb also. Okay, and what are the okay, now we'll begin with the topic simple present tense. The topic is simple present tense. What is the formula for simple present tense? Sarah? Sarah, the formula for simple present tense?
Subject plus present form of the verb plus object.
Very good. And Dia is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me a sentence on simple present tense? Can you give me a sentence on simple present tense?
She likes to dance.
She likes to dance, right? Okay. What is the other four forms of the verb? Now, today onwards, whenever we use a verb in a sentence, we will give the 4 different forms also. What is the past form of like? Go, everybody together. Like,
Wrote.
Like.
like,
Like.
And
like, like,
dislike,
liking. Like this it will go.
liking.
Liking. Like, liking. Okay.
Liking.
Then, is it a regular verb or an irregular verb?
Ma'am, irregular.
Irregular, Sudhi.
Ma'am, regular.
Regular.
No, regular.
Why it is regular? Why it is regular? It is regular because the past form and the past participle form is ending with ed. Okay? Yes, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone is clear what is simple present tense. Yes? Yes, Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the past participle form of like?
I can't hear Aditi. Can you be little loud?
Ma'am, what is the past participle form of like?
Liked, L-I-K-E-D.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Now, the second one we have practiced already is present continuous tense. The second one is present continuous tense. Yes? Izan, what is the formula for present continuous tense? Izan, formula for present continuous tense.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can I say Srihari?
Okay, Srihari.
Ma'am, subject plus am, is or are plus present participle form of the verb plus object.
Very good. Good, Srihari. Glenn, can you frame a sentence with present continuous tense? Present continuous tense.
Ma'am, we went to market.
We went. Went is which form of the verb, Glenn? And what is the base on? Went.
Ma'am, not went.
Who is ready with the sentence? Just raise your hand. Let me see.
Ma'am, Kirtana.
Okay, Kirtana.
Ma'am, I am studying.
I'm studying English. Very good. Okay, lower your hand. Okay, lower your hand. If normal hand or emoji hand, lower. Okay. I am going to the market. Here we have a subject which is I. We have am. We have the past participle form of the verb going, and the object is to the market. Dia, lower your hand. Okay, Dia. Dia, you have a doubt?
No, ma'am. I can
Okay.
I tell
Okay. One minute. I'll give you a chance. Okay. Now listen to me. The present participle form of the verb is going. The present participle form of the verb is going. What are the three other forms of the verb? What are the three other forms of the
Ma'am.
verb? Yes.
Ma'am, go, gone, went.
Don't go mix it. Go. Everyone go.
Go, gone,
Went.
Go.
went, gone,
Went.
gone,
Went. Gone.
gone,
Gone. Going. Very good.
Gone.
Okay. So go, go, went, gone, going. Go, went, gone, going. Glenn, went is the past form of go. And we are doing present continuous tense. Okay, Glenn?
Yeah, ma'am.
The third one we will today start, like we have already started. The present perfect tense. The present perfect tense. Mayuk, what is the formula for present perfect tense?
From subject plus has and have plus
Past.
past participle form plus subject.
Past participle form of the verb plus subject. Very good, Maya. Okay. Now,
Object.
oh yeah, object. Sorry, object. Thank you, Janika. So like this, you can point me out. I have no issue. Okay. So subject plus has or have plus past participle form of the verb plus object. Aditi, a sentence. Aditi gave me a sentence, right? Or no?
Yes.
Yes. Dia also gave. Manas or Ojas. Who raised your hand? Please answer me.
They have gone to school.
I have gone to school. I have gone to school. Very good. I, as he has used I over there, he has used have. I have gone. The past participle form of which verb gone? It is the which verb? Base form is what?
Go.
Go. Past form?
went,
Participle form gone. And the present participle form?
going,
Going. Quick now. Go.
go,
Went.
gone, going,
Go, went, gone, going. Okay, good. Now, we'll revise this once again. Okay. Okay. So here I have a subject, I have, because I'm used I over here. That's why I'm using have. Broken past participle form of the verb and my object. She, because it is she, the third person pronoun, we have used has. Eaten, what is the past participle form of? Sorry, past participle form of broken is there of the verb. I want the other two forms first.
Ma'am, broke.
Broke.
No,
What is the first form? Break.
Broken.
Broken. Breaking. Yes.
Someone told broken.
That was Siddhi. Okay, Shriyari, can you repeat the three forms?
Ma'am, break, broke, broken, breaking.
Very good. Okay. Juan, eaten. Juan, eaten, the three forms.
Ma'am,
Yes, Juan.
ma'am, eat.
Eight.
Then eaten.
Hmm?
Ma'am, eight.
Eight is there.
Ma'am, then breaking.
Breaking.
Ma'am, then breaking. No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I confused.
Okay.
Eating.
Okay. So eat.
Ma'am, I take this no.
Okay. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. Again, eat. Ate, eaten, eating. Okay. Now, they have arrived
In which form?
late for the party. Yes, Ariza?
Ma'am, ma'am, I can't see the board.
I think you have a network issue, Ariza. Just check now. Can you see?
Slowly.
If not, then you have to join, leave and join the class again.
Ma'am, I can see.
Yeah, ma'am, now I can see.
Okay. They have
Excuse me,
arrived.
ma'am.
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, it's not same to this topic, but I have a doubt.
Sarah,
Should
then-
we use it?
Yes, Sarah, go ahead.
Ma'am, should we use it as she's going to the school or she's going to school?
It is which tense, Sarah? Please tell me. Sarah, please tell me which tense.
Present continuous tense.
Okay, very good. Okay, present continuous. What is your sentence now?
She's going to the school.
Okay, and the second sentence?
She's going to school.
This topic is in articles because you are talking about the article. Which is the article she is talking about, guys? The. Very good. The. So this is in okay. So the is required there. Okay, she is going to the school. Okay, Sarah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, they have arrived for the party. So which is the past participle form of the verb here? Past participle form. Everyone.
Arrive.
When I ask this past participle form, if I don't call out name, so I want the answer. What is the base form?
Arrive. Arrive.
Okay, arriving. Fine. Now,
Play.
Rohan has played cricket since childhood. Rohan has played cricket since childhood. Played.
Play.
Ma'am, play. Play.
Playing.
Playing.
Gone.
Go.
Everybody will write 100 times. Everyone will write 100 times. Go, went, gone, going. That will be a punishment if anybody next time say go, gone. If anyone says go, gone, the entire class will write.
When it is telling he has a doubt.
Who?
Ma'am, Navneet, it is Navneet, ma'am.
Navneet. Okay, yes, Navneet, tell me. Navneet, you are facing network issues. We can't understand what you are telling.
His sound is breaking.
Yeah. So Navneet,
Navneet, type it in the chat box.
Yes, Navneet, type it in the chat box. Okay. Now let me complete the topic. Then you all will stop for Navneet's question. Okay. So everybody is clear. The 4 forms we have learned now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In these set of verbs, which are regular verb? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which are regular verbs? Fast.
Ma'am, the first one.
How first one is a regular verb? The
Ma'am, second one.
No,
Second
it's
one.
a
Second one is the regular verb.
I'll give you
Third and
Mute.
fourth one.
mute. I give you few seconds to think. Just think. Close your eyes and think which will be the one. Siddhi, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, arrive. Ma'am,
Arrive and play. Very good, Siddhi. Okay. if you see, they follow a pattern.
And fourth one.
If they follow, but the first one, second one, and the fifth one, they do not follow a pattern. That's why they are irregular verbs. Okay. See, now what I'm doing, I'm taking all the verbs, whatever you have learned, I'm taking everything together. So that, because what happens, I've noticed that whenever I finish the topic, you'll forget about that topic. So that's why I'm taking the topic once again, like through examples we are taking. Okay. Now, in these sentences, which are a finite verbs, guys, fast. Which are the finite verbs? Which verb is showing us the tense form?
Broken.
Very good. Sorry.
Have broken.
Had arrived.
Have broken.
Have broken.
Can be seated, have played, have gone.
Have stayed. Have got. Have arrived.
You cannot just say broken, you cannot say have. No, wrong. You have to say both together. Okay, both together. Whichever verbs are telling you the tense form in a sentence, they are called the finite verbs. They are called the finite verbs. Okay. Now, next slide. Present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. What is the formula? Subject has, have. Being is compulsory. Okay, being compulsory. There is no change in it. Present participle form of the verb and object. Okay. Because it is perfect continuous tense, we have has and have, and we have present participle form of the verb. Being is compulsory. Okay. I, subject, have, because subject is have, being compulsory, teaching. Teaching. Tell me the three forms first.
Ma'am, teach.
Yes.
Ma'am, teach,
taught,
ma'am, teach, taught,
teaching.
Teaching.
Taught.
She has been watching television
Ma'am,
since
taught.
afternoon.
taught, teaching.
Watch.
Watched,
Watched,
watching,
Watching.
ATCHED, watching. Okay. Now, third one, they have been playing football for a long time.
Ma'am, play.
played,
Mia and Kia and Mia. These are plural nouns. If you see plural nouns, that's why we have used have been studying.
Nickname is Mia.
study,
Study.
Studied.
Spelling study.
studied,
They haven't been feeling well from last week. Feel. Felt. Feeling.
feeling,
In this list of five verbs, which are regular verbs? Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, watch, play,
Watch. Sorry.
ma'am, watch, play, study.
Study. Very good. Watch, play, study. 1 minute. Yes. Let me complete this and I'll come back to Aditi. Okay. 1 second. Give me a minute. Watch, play, and study are regular verbs because they show us a pattern. They show us the pattern. Here we have added ed, and ied. Okay.
ED and IED.
Teach and feel are the irregular verbs. Teach and feel are the irregular verbs. Okay. Now my next question to everyone is, which are our finite verbs. Sorry, the board is very dirty, no?
Have been teaching,
Yes.
has been watching, have
Been watching, have been studying, been playing,
hasn't been feeling.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Aditi, your doubt first.
Ma'am, can you give an example for the present perfect continuous tense with has?
Has. Aditi, it's a singular noun. Has been waiting for her turn. So Aditi plus has, because Aditi is a singular noun, plus been, plus present participle form of the verb waiting, plus object. What is the other three form of the verbs waiting? Aditi,
Ma'am, can you repeat?
what are the three other forms of the verb?
Wait,
Yes,
waiting,
waiting is the last one. Second two.
and waited.
Waited. Very good, Aditi. Now, Aditi, are clear with your doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You can also say other than Aditi, he, like
Excuse
Navneet.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Navneet, ma'am, they have a car. Is it a present perfect tense? Okay, very good sentence, Navneet. Let me discuss this with you all. Okay. Here I will write, okay. Now, everybody board on the board. They have a car. Navneet, you're with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They is what, Navneet, as per the formula? Subject plus have plus a car, which is an object, which is our object. Okay. Here we have over here. So as per the formula, when the primary auxiliary verb is standing alone, it is also considered to be main verb. It is also considered to be the present form of the
Main
verb.
verb.
Okay. So now tell me, Navneet, have, with this is which form? This is which tense form, Navneet, as per the formula? Navneet, with this form?
Ma'am,
Think, no problem. Think, even if you're wrong, no problem. As per the formula, which form it is? Not getting?
ma'am, present perfect tense.
How present? Is there any other? Wait, is there a past participle form of the verb in this sentence? Is there a past participle form of the verb in this sentence?
No.
No. So which will be this sentence?
Present continuous tense.
Is there a present participle form? Sorry. Please, Aditi, not Aditi, Siddhi, wait. Present participle, sorry. Okay, is there a present participle form of the verb in this sentence?
No.
So which now? What are the four tenses? Come up, come up. I'll give every example.
Ma'am,
Yes, Navneet.
present simple tense.
Yes, it is simple present tense because your verb is standing alone. Your verb, helping verb is standing alone. They plus have plus a car. Yes or no, Navneet? Here my helping verb is standing alone. Is there any helping verb to it? So there is no helping verb. Is there a helping verb? No. So it is standing alone. So it is a simple present tense. Simple present tense. Clear your doubt, Navneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me check the message. Okay, they have not yet planned for the submission date of the activity. You have to be ready. I will ask you like this. Okay. I want to give you the names for the seminars who haven't performed. If you have performed, please tell me, ma'am, I have already performed. If you're not, please be ready. Adidev, did you perform? Kirtana is ready. Kirtana, you're ready for performing?
I prepare the slide. I will prepare the slide for next Saturday.
Yes,
Next coming Saturday.
Yes, coming Saturday you have to prepare, not today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Topic.
Ma'am, I did not do my seminar.
Right, right.
Ma'am,
This tenses.
Tenses, no, we did just started with tenses. So you can
excuse
do
me,
with
ma'am.
preposition.
Okay, ma'am.
Navneet, articles.
Ma'am, I haven't done my seminar yet.
Ma'am, I haven't done my seminar.
I know. 1 minute, I know. Mute. Kirtana, preposition. Navneet, 1 minute, let me jot down the names, otherwise.
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Sarah, please, 1 second. Yes, Sarah, tell me. Till the time I write.
Ma'am, many months before you have given one seminar for me in the
Sarah, are you ready with that topic?
yes, ma'am.
Today or Tuesday? Saturday.
Saturday, ma'am.
Okay, Sarah is ready. If you have the topic ready with you all, prepare that topic and be ready on Saturday.
Ma'am, Sri Hari ma'am, I also prepared a seminar.
Okay,
Yeah,
Sri
you have
Hari,
given
Kirtana.
me
Okay, 1
parts
minute.
of speech, ma'am.
Sri Hari, Kirtana, Sarah, and Navneet. These four will be performing this week. Okay, Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if you anybody is ready with the topic, if we have time, I will allow you to participate.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You gave me a seminar many months before about parts of speech. Then I was to present it.
Are you ready? So we'll do it in the next class, Alex.
Ma'am, parts of speech was my topic, ma'am.
No, parts of speech was many for many, Sri Hari, not an issue. We have to revise all the topics again.
I was ready before many months.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. A very, very happy birthday, Janvi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Janvi.
Happy birthday.
Okay. So when you come, you bring chocolates for us. Okay.
Yes,
Then we'll get chocolates. Okay. One
in
thing.
January.
I want to tell one more thing till the time other teacher comes. See, one thing is very important for us, respecting one another. You know what is respecting one another? Which many of us does not do. If some, only I'll do some kids, some are actually very good, those are doing. Many of us are not doing. Means respecting one another. When Glenn is speaking, everybody should wait, let him complete speaking. Then you can ask. Then the second thing, it's not just respecting. Many of us respect our elders, teachers, parents. It is taught to us. But what about our siblings? What about our pets? We have to respect everyone. Okay. Next class, we'll discuss on this. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. See you next